To make this basket you need yarn, a thinner crochet hook, tapestry needle and scissors. I will show you how to make the black part with brown yarn because it's better to see how to make the stitches, and start with the black yarn with a 6 single crochet magic ring. Once you have the magic ring, you have to make 6 single crochet in the circle and then pull the yarn. In this case I will close every row with a slip stitch, but if you want you can work in a spiral. So make a slip stitch and start the following row with a chain 1. Row number 2, you have to make 1 increase around. To make an increase you have to make a single crochet and in the same space make again 1 single crochet. So you have 2 single crochet in the same space, you have 1 increase, continue with 5 more increases, finishing the row with 12 stitches. Row number 3, you have to make 1 single crochet and 1 increase, and you have to repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase to the end, finishing with 18 stitches. Row number 4, you have to repeat to the end 2 single crochet and 1 increase. Two single crochet and 1 increase, finishing with 24 stitches. From now to the end of the basket you have to change the color every 3 rows. Now I'm going to place the orange color, row number 5, 3 single crochet and 1 increase, repeating around, three single crochet and 1 increase, finishing with 30 stitches. Row number 6, 4 single crochet and 1 increase, repeating around, four single crochet and 1 increase, finishing with 36 stitches. Row number 7, 5 single crochet and 1 increase, repeating around, five single crochet and 1 increase, finishing with 42 stitches. Now you have 3 rows with the orange color. I'm going to take again the black color and make on the row number 8 6 single crochet and 1 increase, repeating around, finishing with 48 stitches. 6 single crochet and 1 increase. Row number 9, 7 single crochet and 1 increase, repeating around, finishing with 54 stitches, 7 single crochet and 1 increase. Row number 10, 8 single crochet and 1 increase, repeating around, finishing with 60 stitches. Eight single crochet and 1 increase. Now I'm going to change the color again, take the orange color, and on the row number 11, you have to make 9 single crochet and 1 increase, finishing with 66 stitches. You have to continue increasing on each row, making, in this case, you finish with 9 single crochet and 1 increase. On the row number 12, you have to make 10 single crochet and 1 increase, continue with 11 single crochet and 1 increase, one more stitch on each repetition on each row to finish on the row number 17 with 15 single crochet and 1 increase. From the row 18 to the row 34, you have to make 1 single crochet around. You don't have to make increases now, you have to continue making the 102 stitches, changing the color every 3 rows to finish the basket. And you have to fasten off, and now you have to take the white yarn with a tapestry needle and make the spider web with the white yarn. And you finished your basket.